Hi buddies and welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the screen timeout on your Motorola Razr. For that you want to go to your settings and then go to display, and here you have the point screen timeout. When you click on it you can choose between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, whatever you like here. Personally I think 15 seconds, 30 seconds are a bit too short, then the screen blacks out way too fast, and also like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes is a bit too long for me personally. I think it's a bit of a safety issue, so like people could get to my phone way easier if I just leave it on the side unattended. Then people can just like do stuff on it. I don't know. You can choose here whatever you like. I'm gonna go with 15 seconds for demonstration reasons, and then we go back and we'll wait a little while. The screen will get darker and then after another few seconds it will lock itself. You see now it like dimmed a bit and now it's blacked out, and now when we want to get to our phone now we have to unlock it again. So that's how you customize your screen timeout on your Motorola Razr. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.